Hey guys, it's Felicia. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn how to dance to Senorita by 여자아이들, and I will be teaching you guys the chorus part. So if you guys don't want the explanation step-by-step kind of video, go ahead and click up there. It'll take you to the music, and that has 75%, 90% and full speed, and it's mirrored. So if you want, go ahead and click up there. If not, you guys came to the right place. I'll teach you guys step-by-step how to dance to this song. Just so you guys know that this dance, half of the members are going to the left on certain movements, half of the members are going right some of the movements. So I will be teaching you guys how to dance to Soyeon's, the leader of this group, and I will teach you guys her part. And as per usual, don't forget that this video is mirrored, and let's get started. Alrighty, so first we're going to step with left, right, okay? So we're kind of walking to the center. We're going to kind of bring our hands up like so, and we're going to come 1, 2, all right? And so at the same time, my hands are sliding down. So we're going to come 1, 2. Now we're going to step with our right and kind of just plant it down, okay? When we plant it down, you're going to bring your left hand up like so, okay? Make it flat as you can. It's kind of hard. I was overdoing it and it ended up being an arch, but kind of just doing it like this. One hand palm facing up with your right hand palm facing down, all right? And it's just right under your chest. So you got this position going, all right? So when we come, we step, we're facing to the left, we step and hit. When we hit, we're gonna turn and look to the left, and then we're gonna look back to the front, and we're gonna go right, left. So let's step from the top. We walk left, right, and we hit, look, and now we step right, left. From here, kind of just bring your feet together, and now we're going to do a cross. So our left hand is going to cross our right. Left is on top, so we're gonna go cross 1. But the second cross, we're going to bring our left hand across our chest on top to our right shoulder, and this will stay on the bottom. So it goes cross, down, 1 comes up. All right, so again, we just come from here, we step and we look, we step right, left, cross, down, up, 1. And now from here, we're going to do a little, we're going to just go from pinky to thumb like so, and we're gonna kind of roll our head in a clockwise movement, all right? So let's start from here. We step and we come right, left, cross, and roll. Once we've come cross down, cross up, and roll, we're going to step to the right, one step, and we're gonna come here. So we're gonna do this pinky to thumb movement again, but like have your thumb kind of connected to your cheek and your left hand on your waist, and we're gonna come like so. Let's piece it all together. Let's start from the top. We come left, right, and stop, look, and we come right, left, and cross, and roll, and we step. So from here, after we come step like so, we're going to come U and bring our right hand, point to the audience and bring it up to down, left hand on hip still. We're gonna come, but at the same time, our feet are going to, not feet, our leg, right leg is going to slide out, okay? So I'll do it all at once so you can kind of piece it together yourself, but we're gonna come down. From here, we're gonna come up, we're gonna slide out and back and point like this. This time my palm is facing up. Let's go from where we cross here and then piece from there. So we just went cross and up and we roll. Now we step to the right and we come down and flick, come around. From here, once we're here, we come full circle. We're going to come up, so pull your hands over your butt and come down onto your thighs. So we came here and our weight should be on our left foot. Now step back with your right. So we're facing to the right side and we're gonna come up and down. Let's start from here. we come here, flick, down, and then we come roll here. Once we've done the roll down, we're going to quickly go right, left. So it's kind of like, wiping the sweat off. We come wipe, wipe, and then it's a quick roll your shoulder, your right shoulder. I'm gonna roll once, one small roll, and then roll once real big. Okay, so it's like 1, 2, and come back up. Let's start from here. Sound good? We come down and heel flick, come around, and then we come roll and down. Now from here, we wipe off the sweat, basically, and roll small, roll big, and up. Alrighty, so once we've come roll small, roll big, we come up. We're going to walk a little bit. It's just a really quick beat. When Minnie says love you so, it's like 3 beats. It's like love you so. So on this, we're gonna go, I'm gonna face you. So it says love you so. All right, so love, step with your left, you step with your right, and so we're gonna do a little, I don't know what you want to call this, hand gesture. You know, it's like, hey dude, hey buddy. Okay, but we're going to be facing to the left when this happens, okay? So we just came from small roll, big roll, right? And we come walk, and it says love you so, love you so. Do it one more time, but this one, the 3rd time we hit, it's gonna be real quick. It's just gonna be a real quick hit. We don't have time to go all the way down. It's a quick hit, and then we're gonna bring both hands up in a circle, okay? Come up, and then we're gonna it's like rain down, okay? So we're gonna, hands still open and come down, all right? So let's go from small roll. So small roll, big roll, come up, love you so, love you so, love you, hit, up, and down. Okay, so let's call this part 1. Just so you know, part 1 is longer than part 2, so you're more than halfway done learning this chorus. If you still need more time to go back and go through the explanation process, please do. If not, I'm going to do a entire part 1 review before we move on to part 2. So remember, we step here with our hands on our chest, we come down left, right, and hit, look, and we're gonna step right, left, cross down, cross up, roll, and step to the right. Now you, and flick, and come around. Then we're gonna come roll down, and then we're gonna wipe off the sweat, and come small roll, big roll, and come up. Now we walk 1, and love you so, love you so, love you, hit, roll, come full circle, and down. Alrighty, so let's move on to part 2. So on this part, when we just finished the love you so, love you so, love you, hit, roll up, and come down. When we come down, once we finished our entire circle, we're going to hit out like this, okay? So both hands flick out, kind like so. Make your arms as straight as possible, and I'm gonna kind of step out with my right. I'm kind of lifting my right hip up just so I can give it some oomph. So we come up, and we're going to turn, which way is this? Counterclockwise. We're gonna turn counterclockwise. When we turn, we automatically hit our hands to the bottom, to the sides, okay, down here. And we're going to bring it up, and by this time my left hip should be kind of up. That way when we do the roll, like 1, 2, 3, 4, it's really smooth. I know I just threw a ton of information at you, so let me just rewind it 2 more times, okay? So we just came, love you, hit, up, come down, we come, step out with your right, come here, hit, go counterclockwise, hit down, up, and then we go 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so let's do that one more time. We got love you so. Come up all the way and down. And we hit, turn, down, hit. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, we're going to do this thing so our feet are going to step right, left, right. Okay, so notice how my right, left is small steps, and right, I'm coming back out and I'm putting my weight onto my right leg. With the hand movements, it's really easy. We just came here, right? We just did 1, 2, 3, 4, and right, left, right. Notice my hand, right, left, right. So after we've done right, left, right, we're going to kind of do like a scuffle. Well, not too big, it's just like kind of lift your leg up so that we can bring it back down to kind of close to our left foot. But from here, with our hands, we come right, left, right. We're gonna come here and bring, so basically our left hand still is gonna stay up. Right is going to touch our elbow, and then we're gonna switch and then have left hand touch the right elbow, okay? So again, we come right, left, right. We shuffle up, left, right. And then we're gonna do this one more time with hip sway. So I'm going to be facing to the left, okay? But I'm gonna turn to the front just so you can see, but it's just another left, right with our hips, left, right with the hands. All right, so we come here, right, left, right, scuffle up, right, and we come left, right. So let's go from here again. We come right, left, right, we scuffle up, left, right, now sway left, sway right. Now we're gonna lift our left foot, okay? So now that is like basically from the back. Now we're moving to the front and we're going to be facing to the right. And I'm going to come down from here, and instead of like pulling it up, we're going to have our hands and we're gonna do the pinky to thumb thing again. So basically from here, we're gonna come here, roll up. Alrighty, let's go from here again. We're almost done. I'll go all the way to the end. So we come right, left, right, kick here, left, right, come down and roll up. Now from here, we're going to lift up our left leg like so, okay, like this. And we're gonna bring our arms to the left, like this, like we're flying, and bring our arms to the left. And we're gonna walk and to the right, but this time, instead of just coming to here, because I came across my body, now we're going to kind of do it in a diagonal kind of thing, and we're gonna hit it out to the right, okay? So from here, we just came, so we're gonna go left, and so it's like my feet from here, we're gonna left, left, right, left, right. So after we come from the right and we hit, we're going to walk really quick, bring our hands back to the left, and we're going to do a quick hit to the right. All right, so let's put that all together. I know that's confusing. So we just came down here and we did this, and we come left, left, right, and we come left and hit to, notice how I brought it from the left, hit it to the right. Now I'm in the position and I'm going to bring my right hand like behind my head, and I'm going to, again, from pinky to thumb, little kind of grab. And now my left arm is out and right arm behind me. And we're going to slide in like this. So I have incorporated a little jump because we just came from here, right? Because it's from left to right. From here, your body's basically like center. So to move it, we're gonna do a little like jump slide. That way your body changes from center to right, your weight on your right leg. And then you come behind, left here, and we slide in with our left leg, okay? And then from here, we're gonna do it once more, kick out to the left, and we're gonna just quickly walk. And I'm going to put my right leg in front of my left, both hands on hip, and look up. And that is part 2 of the tutorial. If you need more time to go back on the explanation part, step by step of part 2, feel free to go ahead. If not, I'm going to do part 2 review, and then I'm going to do full review. So part 2, let's start from the love you so. We become love you so, love you so. One more, hit, come up and down. Now hit to the top, turn, hit, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, right, right, come up, here, left, right, come down, and up. Now we switch left, right, and we come, hit, come on, do this, hit, and we come down, here, and look up. So full review, let's start from here. Start with our left foot first. We come left, right, and hit, turn, step right, left, cross, up, roll. Now we do, and point, and flick, and roll. Now we roll down to the right, and we wipe the sweat off. Small roll, big roll, and we come step, and love you so, love you so, love you, hit, come up, and down. Now we hit up, turn, down, hit, 1, 2, 3, 4, right, right, come up, right, sway left, right, come up, down, and this, come left, right, and left, hit, here, come left, 1, 2, 3, and look. So that is it for this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are ready for the music, go ahead and click up there. That'll take you right to the music section of this tutorial. If not, no worries. Go ahead and rewatch parts of the videos that you need to. If you guys decide to cover this, be sure to tag me, felicia.covers. My social media sites will all be in the description box below. Don't forget to click like and subscribe if you guys haven't already, because I try to give you guys the tutorial as soon as possible, like today. So make sure you guys click that red button and make it great. And don't forget to click on that notification bell if you guys want to make sure you guys don't miss a video. So thank you guys so much for all your support, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!